Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we would be discussing about deadlock handling methods. So how do we handle deadlock in various systems? Now first of all, it's about deadlock prevention. So what we do is that we ensure that one of those 4 essential conditions that we studied earlier, which were required for deadlock, should not happen, and that's how we do deadlock prevention. Then the second method is deadlock avoidance. Now what is deadlock avoidance about? So what we do is we allow processors to request whatever they need, and then OS, that is the operating system, carefully grants this request. That is, it checks if it will cause any deadlock or not, and if it won't, then it will allow the process to access its request. Now the third one is detection and recovery. So what detection and recovery does is that it checks if a deadlock is there, and then it does something to remove it. So what it basically does is that it picks a process and kills it, so that the resources that this process was holding are now free. And finally, the most widely used one is ignore the deadlock, because deadlocks are not something that occurs rarely that we can handle all this. Deadlocks occur very frequently in systems. So the best way out is to ignore the deadlock and move ahead. And major systems such as Unix and Windows, they ignore the deadlock instead of using the other methods. And there's one thing in Unix, that is lockf. So what lockf does is that it checks whether granting a particular request leads to deadlock, and if it leads to deadlock, so it will generate an error that is something like this. And that's it for this video, and we'll meet in the next video with a new topic.